What's up, guys? We're back with another video, Good Vibes Only, and in today's video, I know you guys can tell from the title what this video is going to be about. Today, this video is going to be about me setting up my little glam room, spot. Yeah, my apartment, house is so small. It is so small, so my room is extremely small. I wanted to do like a little glam spot in my room, a little area, but it's not nowhere to really do it at, so I'm gonna have to do it in my living room. It's basically like for a little spot for when I do like mukbang story times, or even just do like little small videos for you guys. Whatever type of videos I want to do in that area, that's the type of videos be there. So we just not gonna name it just for mukbangs and stuff like that. It's just for whatever I feel like doing at the moment. That's what it's gonna be for. So yeah, let me show y'all the area. This is the area I wanted to do, like the window. I'm gonna put the string lights up there, the fairy lights, and like the curtain and stuff. I have a rug and stuff too as well. But just look around, you guys. I wanted you guys to just show me any other area you think I could have did it in. Like, I really wanted to do it there by the fireplace, but I don't know which way to put my furniture because it's so like small in here. Like, it's more like a baby doll house to me. Like, it's just so small, y'all. It's too small. So I had to figure out where I want to put the stuff. So I decided to put it right here in this window, y'all. I don't really have too many spots to go. So that's the door area, just the door area. So it's like really too much. I don't have too much, y'all. Too much. It's like nothing. So we just gonna get straight into this video with the help of the lighting. With the help of my daughter. Okay, y'all. this is the look that I'm going for, but I do want like to put this on too as well. I don't know how to do it yet, so I'm gonna have to go back and look at a video or something on how to attach this, because I do want it to go across, but kind of in a way I don't want it to cover my picture because it's still in my living room, and I just want this to do like a this just to be like the background for when I do record. So this will be the only part that you really see. You ain't gonna see the sides or whatever. And it's a little crooked. Yeah, it's a little crooked, but it's okay. We're gonna fix it. So now we just gonna go ahead and put the, Shakira, you wanna put the rug and stuff down? I'm gonna let her set the rug and stuff down and put the pillows up. So y'all, let's see how she do. I'm a recorder. Alexa still didn't turn back on? Ain't it cute, y'all? You have to turn the lights off and let y'all see it a little more. A little better. Ooh, I wish I had my other camera because it'll look way more better with the other camera. Let's see. And that's the rug. Remember? I told y'all about the little stool. I'm going to show y'all the stool that I want to get to put on there for what we're gonna be sitting on. That's like a little purplish. This starting to look like a dang on room, y'all. Like a little girl's room or something. But I can't wait till I get a bigger house so I can have a glam room, so it can just be, you know, just for like YouTubing and stuff. So, because I do have a fiance, and you know, it's gonna be too girly in here in a minute. He gonna have a fit. So she getting those pillows in order. What you gotta do? Take the. Let me see. What you gotta do? Oh yeah, unravel. But yeah, I'm gonna find some more things. Oh yeah, too as well. Those, you see that little vase, that picture? I had spray painted it a little pink on it or whatever. But this is the spray paint. I'm gonna be spray painting this. Like you see this color, this chair, that is so pretty, and I love like this color. So it's gonna be like, I'm gonna call this area like the 50 shades of pink. So it's gonna be 50 shades of pink, which this look a little purplish to me. I should have been on this side anyway. My light came off. But yeah, this look a little purplish to me, that rug, but it's still gonna be cute. So I guess I could just set those right there until I get my chair, but it still probably be right there anyway. Put them side by side. But yeah, this is what this spray right here. I'm gonna be using it to spray that vase right there, that flower pot. I'm gonna put some flowers in there. I'm gonna spray it this color, and I got another one over there in the corner. I'm gonna spray both of those and put it on the sides, like one on that side and one on that side. It's gonna be cute. Put the tags in. A cute little area for YouTube. Got one more pillow left. And we got one more. One more pillow left. And yeah, put that like in the front of it. So it's like a cute little area. Put the tags and stuff in. How y'all like it? Let me know in the comment section on what y'all think about this. I think it's cute. Turn the light off, Shakira. Let's see how I look with the lights off, y'all. You gotta turn these lights off too over here. Video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to this channel. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video if you like this. This is the look that we're going for, but we're going to do a little more touching up. Like I said, I'm coming back with a part 2 of this video once I get more things added on to it. So, y'all, yeah. I like it. It's cute. It's cute. This is cute. So, yeah, y'all, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video, and let me know what you think that I should have did different, or if you like it, or what I need to add to it. And also press that bell for post notifications if you're new to this channel, and so you can always get alerted whenever we do upload any videos. And also check out I'm gonna leave all the links in the description box. Check the description box out too as well for where to purchase these items from, and also for our new up and coming channel that we do have. So you guys stay tuned, stay blessed. We love you all, and I'm just so happy right now I finally got this done. Y'all just don't know. So yeah, y'all, but anywho, peace out.